Built on the award-winning capabilities of Enterprise Recon, Enterprise Recon Cloud simplifies your data security needs and delivers powerful cloud-optimized data discovery. Hosted in AWS and available through the Marketplace, Cloud comes in 3 editions: PCI, PII, and Pro. PCI ensures payment card industry compliance. PII is focused on personal data protection. Pro offers advanced features like risk scoring, delegation, and access control. Key benefits of Cloud include no physical hardware, reduce infrastructure cost and streamline operations. Quick deployment, start scanning in minutes after setup. Flexible sizes, choose from small, medium, or large deployments tailored to your organization's needs. Seamless integration, connect with on-premises environments through VPN for hybrid solutions. While optimized for cloud platforms, Cloud also retains the flexibility to scan on-premises platforms as needed. Not sure which version is right for you? Cloud is fully hosted in AWS, making it easy to deploy for cloud-focused or hybrid organizations, especially those with limited IT resources. With pre-configured templates, deployment is straightforward. On the other hand, Enterprise Recon on-premise provides complete control over network and server configurations, ideal for organizations with strict data residency requirements. Getting started with Cloud is simple. Visit the AWS Marketplace, or to learn more about Enterprise Recon, head to groundlabs.com/enterprise-recon. Our team is here to help you maximize your data discovery journey whenever you need assistance.